Alright, Thad, here's my setup. Here's the computer. Here's a little bit what it looks like. Comes up with the choices, and I just finished the race here, so let me go ahead and escape out. Okay, when we boot up, we come up basically to this menu. We're going to tell it to race. I'm going to give it a 1. Next question, it asks how many cars. I'm going to tell it 2 cars. Okay, it's going to tell us what cars, and it's going to say all sensors are ready. Right, now what I got for the sensors, we come over here, and that jumper on the terminals, that is simulating the start switch. When I get ready to start the race, I'll pull that jumper off. Over here, I've got the bulb, and down here, I've got the detectors. And if you see them, they're just about a ½ inch apart. In the track, they'll be separated further than that. The way I'm going to simulate a race is I'm going to block them off. And I'll pass from left to right, right to left, etc. and that. So the race will be pretty close, okay? The distance here is probably about 2.5 feet. Alright, let's go. I'm going to come over and I'm going to disconnect the start switch and start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. The thing says race has started. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, you see me pass the deal over it? Alright, now here's what we got. Hopefully you can read this. 11 and 11.015 seconds. Okay, that time I went from the right side to the left side. It says record this race, I'll tell it yes. Alright, now it tells you the cars in this heat. So lane 1 is car 2, lane 2 is car 1. It says not ready the start sensor. When the start sensor gets made, it comes back, and now, oops, this isn't going to work because I made and broke the sensor, so that's all it is, the switch being good and bad. So we'll wait for if we wait 15 seconds, it'll time out and it says it was exceeded, continue the race, yes, no. Now it tells us all sensors are ready. So now we're going to go back, the cars are positioned, everything's still the same. We take the start switch off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I lost my little black spot, but you see that time I went from the other side. And the times were 6:16 and 6:17. Okay. Record this race, yes or no? Yes. Alright. Now the race is over because both cars are in both lanes. Our average times, actually it doesn't go by average times, it goes by the best times. Whoever gets the best time, oh no, excuse me, that's just reporting. I have to tell to display the race results. Here's the average times. The average times is 8.5, 8 and 8.59. Hopefully you can read that. And I can print the race results. When to do that, you'd have to disconnect the deal from the printer port, which is where the race setup is, hook up a printer. But I can display the results here while we're here, which I did. It'll just do them again. Tell it to return to race menu, yada yada yada. That's how it works. Love you, son.